If your sink drain pipe is cracked or damaged, fixing it quickly can save you from a major headache and water mess. Okay, so first thing, you gotta turn off the water supply to avoid any surprise flooding, you know? Then, grab a bucket to catch any leftover water hanging out in the pipes. Next, loosen the slip nuts on both ends of the damaged section using a wrench or by hand if they're not too tight. Carefully remove the broken pipe and check if any debris or gunk is stuck in the connectors. Clean that out so the new pipe fits snug. When you pick a replacement pipe, make sure it's the same size and material to avoid leaks or fitting problems. Before putting it in, wrap the threads of the connectors with plumber's tape to create a watertight seal. Slide the new pipe into place, tighten those nuts firmly, but don't overdo it. Too tight can crack things again. Finally, turn the water back on and watch carefully for leaks. If you see anything, tweak the connections a bit until it's solid. One of the biggest mistakes when replacing a cracked sink drain pipe is not shutting off the water supply first. This leads to nasty floods and wasted time cleaning up. Fix: always double check that valve before starting work. Another common problem is using the wrong size pipe or fittings, which causes leaks or loose connections. The fix here is to measure carefully and buy parts that match exactly what you're replacing. Third, folks often forget to use plumber's tape on threaded connections, resulting in drips and slow leaks later on. Just wrap that tape around every threaded joint before tightening, and you'll avoid this easily. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people ready to start their next big home repair or upgrade.